All right. Hello everyone. We are here live. Actually hindi live. Katatapos lang ng official press presentation and sashing ceremony ng Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024. And kasama natin ang isa sa mga official candidates. Introduce yourself muna.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, I am Ishi Molina Inosalda, 20 years old, and I am representing Sarangani Province.
Okay, Ishi Inoselda, tell us more about yourself.
I am currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Biodiversity in the Mindanao State University, General Santos City. I am a student journalist, specifically a TV broadcaster. I am also a writer and at the same time a swimmer of our college. I love music. I am a bassist, and right now I'm thankful to be one of the HIAS official candidates.
Okay, so speaking of being an official candidate of Hiyas ng Pilipinas, congratulations by the way.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel very overwhelmed and at the same time very happy because I know that this is very difficult to achieve and the screening takes up nationwide and I know there are a lot of girls who have tried and screened and right now this opportunity has come and I'm just grateful.
Okay, so kumusta yung preparations mo going to Hiyas ng Pilipinas?
Actually, it's very difficult because of the resources. I think that we still have to do a lot of work about it, more importantly with my performance, with my academics, and at the same time with the budget that we have for Yes na Pilipinas. Overall, the municipality of Kiamba and Sarangani has been very, very supportive of me. That's why I am here standing in front of you.
Okay, so we all know Fatima Kate Bisan is the reigning queen of Hiyas ng Pilipinas, who happens to be also from Sarangani province. So, how do you feel about it? Tinitik mo ba siya as motivation or pressured ka na ba para sundan yung victory niya?
To be honest, I am very, very pressured because a back-to-back fit is very, very difficult to achieve. But I have realized that in beauty pageants such as this, it is already given na lahat ng candidates ay magaganda, matatalino, matatangkad. They all have the qualities to be a beauty queen. But as what Miss Baradia said, everything or every girl should be lucky or destined to win. So if just like in my municipality, I am the second woman to be crowned as Pearl of Sarangani, if I could be the second woman from Sarangani province to win the Yes na Pilipinas this year, then so be it. I'd be grateful and ecstatic.
Okay, so for our final question, why should you be the next Hiyas ng Pilipinas?
Quite frankly, I don't know, but to be honest, in my core, I am a transformative woman, and I think that Yes na Pilipinas seeks that kind of woman. A transformative woman for me is someone who has the capability to assume any kind of role. And the same as with my life, without the members of certain family members in my life, I think that other people could assume that role. And as a Hiyas, you could also assume the role of anyone who needs you. And you could do that, especially impromptuously, to serve, to held your hand, and to actually be of service and to lead people, not just to be beautiful in front, but also to be a woman of purpose. You know?
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank
Once
you.
again, guys, we have with us Ishi Inoselda, our Hiyas ng Sarangani province.
Thank you so much.